Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open a savings account using the Lloyds app. First, tap on Apply at the bottom of the screen, then select Savings. Open that section and choose Compare Savings Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of different savings options available. Click on the one you're interested in. You can also visit the Lloyds website for detailed information about each type of savings account. Once you've decided which account suits you best and have read through all the details, scroll down and tap Confirm and Open Account. Make sure you understand all the terms before proceeding. Next, agree to the declaration, enter your national insurance number, and select the appropriate option that applies to you. And that's it. Your savings account will be created. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.